Okay, this is Sadie and Cooper. They're Welsh puppies. This is our Airedale, Dixie, one of our Airedales. That's Kaya. She's a Rottweiler mix. Whoa! Looks like you've been rolling in the mud. The puppy with the red collar is the one female. They're like, I think, 3 weeks old this week. So they're not too lively yet, but you'll be amazed how in the next week they will live. Kaya. Be careful, Dixie. That's the one female right there. I just put that collar on. What do you think of that, huh? You don't like that. Alright, you two, you're blocking the video. Dixie's just not sure what to think, huh? So, this is one male. Here's another male. Another male. Another male here. And another male. And the female is right here. You want the camera, huh? Say hi. Wow, I just realized the sun's setting around me. Beautiful sunset. But, to the puppies. For the most part, they're all about the same size. This one little male, he's a little, his head's a little smaller, but for the most part. A female, and the rest are all males. Careful, Dixie, they're little. Like I said, Dixie is an Airedale, so don't worry, that's not how big they'll end up.